Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing. So I went to this store the other day and there's this bag that I was actually looking for. It is the Coach Hutton saddle bag. And I went to the store just to see the colors. I mean, it's easier to just choose among those colors when you're at the store. So I was able to check. They have it in black, and they also have it in color block in pink. But I was looking for the multicolor and taupe with a silver hardware, and they didn't have it. So I checked online and see if there's any store nearby where I could pick it up, because I was just so excited just to see the style of the Hutton that was like in color blocks. So I was just so excited for that one. And for some reason, like probably I searched for like over like the nearest store, and for over like 100 miles it is not available nearby. So anyway, so I placed an order online, and I just got it, so I will be sharing it with you today. So to those who are Coach lovers, to those who are started their collection with Coach, I think this is gonna be such an exciting item that the Coach that was just released. Well, they did just release it, or I'm not even sure, but let's check it out, guys. So once again, it was wrapped nicely, and this time the box actually came out perfect. They did last time in my previous unboxing, they damaged the box, but this time around it came out nicely. So this is how it looks like. And okay, here it is. Here's the Coach Hutton saddle bag, and this one they call this one color block in multicolor. So this is more likely, yeah, in taupe color, sand taupe. It is so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, I just love the simplicity of it. I mean, with the iconic turn lock right there, and just like plain simple, like refined calf leather, it just looks so perfect, guys, just like that. I really thought, yeah, this one is all over here. This is all a sand taupe, and on the side, this is more of like beige on the side, and on the other side as well is also beige. The hang tag is in taupe, and at the back is beige. The bottom side as well as in beige. And this one comes with a strap. Yes, I was just looking like, hey, most of the time like the strap is already hanging, but for some reason this time I'm not really seeing it, but it's actually inside. So I'm so excited with this turn lock. Oh my gosh, look at the horse carriage right there, the horse carriage, and it says Coach right there. The turn lock, it's so beautiful. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, the silver hardware and the taupe actually blends in pretty well. It is so amazing. It's such a nice combination between that, a contrast between the silver and the taupe. And also look at the stitching right there. I love the stitching, actually, the contrast as well. So let's open this. Okay, so this one has suede lining. I think this is like a suede or like microfiber. It's very soft. It is so soft, in an ox blood color. Very nice. So let's open this. So the strap were actually hidden inside, And okay, let me just look around the inside. Okay, the inside we're all in ox blood color. It's so beautiful and it's soft. So this one has a slip pocket right here in front. It's a little bit roomy, guys, and this is the large pocket over here at the back, and it has a small zip pocket right here. Okay, and yeah, there's just two compartments inside. Okay, so there's two compartments right here in front, and then at the back is the largest compartment so far. So okay, that's the inside. So let's take a look at the back. So this one here has a one slip compartment at the back, which is actually soft. Yeah, it's the same material that was like made up of a not microfiber. Yeah, it's a microfiber or suede. They're just like the same. So okay. And also, yeah, on the side, look at the detail on the side. Let me just see if the camera is picking up. So look at the silver against the color on the other side as well. So this one comes with a leather strap. So the leather strap actually is not removable. Unfortunately, this is not removable. As you can see, the strap is not removable. And this one has how many settings for the strap adjustments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 settings out here. So you could adjust it however you wanted. And also, yeah, this is, yeah, it's just like, well, that's just how it is. It's just like the Hutton. Most of them are actually like this. The strap is not removable. I was already thinking that if the strap is removable, I could have just put the chain in here if I just really wanted to customize the bag itself. But it is very pretty. It is classy. It's very simple. I just really love the fact that it is like this is just like a charm right here. This is what makes the bag so special and beautiful, because this is made up of just a perfect plain refined calf skin leather, and then just the iconic turnlock right there with the courage, the horse and courage right there. It's just perfect. It's very, very classy and it's beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. This is, I mean, yeah. So this one also comes with I think 1, 2, 3. I think as far as I remember, comes with 4 different colors. So they have in chalk. So chalk is white, and that one has a brass hardware. And then they also have in black, which is also beautiful, and it comes with a brass hardware. And then what else? I try to remember. Pink. It's actually pink is color block as well, and that one comes with a brass hardware. It's beautiful. The pink is actually attractive, but I mean, I went to the store and I was able to check the color block in pink and black. Yes, there's only 2 that's available at the store when I went. And I was looking for the chalk and also this one, but they don't have it available for some reason. And I was just like, no, I'm not gonna. So I end up getting the other one. I end up getting the Cassie 19. Here's the Cassie 19. She is here actually. I invited Cassie 19 to join me today. So this is the Cassie 19. And also, this is the Hutton saddle. And look at the comparison between the two. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? So guys, I was already thinking of, this is a chain strap from the Cassie 19. I was already thinking of what if I was just gonna put this one on the bag. Let me see how this one looks like. So yeah, you could actually customize this bag according to what you feel like it. So yeah, actually it looks nice though, just like that. It looks nice. It looks nice. But then again, if the strap is removable, that's even better. But just to let this chain hang like that using this, I think it's pretty. Just like that. Isn't it? Yeah, it looks pretty. But of course, it's up to you guys. It's up to you however you wanted to dress up your bag. But regardless, if you're just gonna wear this without the chain, just like this, plain, it's nicer. It is very pretty. Yeah, so there's not much of like, yeah, also the side here has a little bit of glazing. So I don't think you're gonna worry about that. It's because since the strap is made up of leather, so when you look at it closely, when you use it as a crossbody, so I don't think it's just gonna press against the glazing over here. It's because the other one, the Cassie one, is it's closer to the hardware, but this one is more of like, you know, yeah, but let me see. Yeah, it's pretty much like there is a little bit of, yeah, it's not, so if you wear it like that, so the strap, it's not gonna rub against the bag, which is nice. So that way it helps protect the glazing at the corner. So yeah, so don't be surprised, guys, that I always brought up the glazing, because I know that I have purses in the past that I paid so much money, and my major issues with that bag is the glazing right here. It's cracking. So the leather is still perfect. Everything is perfect, but the glazing just started to, you know, started to chip. It's coming off. So that's why I always brought that one up all the time. Each time I do my review or unboxing with the particular purse, because of course you know, you're gonna make sure that the bag that you're actually getting is actually, you know, it would meet your needs, your standards, or something that really makes you feel happy about. So anyways, it is beautiful. I love it. I am so happy that I was able to get this one. The stitching so far, I was just checking out the stitching. It's beautiful, and this is such a really soft, refined leather. Really, really soft, guys. Very, very nice. I love it. Very, very nice. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. So this is my Coach Hutton saddle bag, and with a special participation of the Cassie 19 in taupe as well. So these are the two lovely bags in the silver hardware. It's beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.